Now let us discuss about ternary operator in JavaScript. Ternary operator can also be called as conditional operator. Let's see what is ternary. Ternary means three, performing operations on three operands is called as ternary operator. So ternary means three, binary means two, unary means one. So ternary means performing operations on three operands. We know what is operand. Operand means a variable or a value. Okay. Next, let us see the syntax for the ternary operator. Ternary means we need to have three expressions. Expression 1, question mark. Expression 2, colon. Expression 3. So here the syntax is we have to use three operands. The first operand is expression 1. The second operand is expression 2. Third operand is expression 3. Ternary means here we are using two operators. They are question mark and colon. So first this expression 1 will be evaluated. If expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed. That is, the expression which is placed after the question mark will get executed. Suppose if expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed. That is, the expression which is placed after the colon will get executed. Now let us see an example. Let we have two variables where a is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 20. Let us display biggest of two numbers with the help of the ternary operator. Here expression 1 is a greater than b. If a is greater than b, then we have to display the output as a is big. A is big. Colon, otherwise we have to display output as b is big. B is big. B is big. So here what is a value? A value is 10. B value is 20. So 10 is greater than 20. Condition is false. So what will happen? The expression which is placed after the question mark will get executed. So B is big will be displayed. Let us see the program execution. Let us see the program execution. B is big. So what is the output here? The output is B is big is the output. Now let us display smallest of two numbers. Let we have one more variable called small. Now let us store the result in small. If here expression 1 is a less than b. If a is less than b, then which is the smallest number? A is the smallest number. Otherwise b is the smallest number. Okay. If you see this example, here what is a value? 10. What is b value? 20. 10 less than 20. Condition is true. So the expression which is placed after the question mark will get executed. So what is the expression here? Expression to a. So a value will be assigned to sum. What is a value? 10. Now small contains 10. Now let us display smallest number. So document dot write of smallest number is plus here the result is available in small variable. Now let us display the output. If we observe the output here, so what is the smallest number here? Smallest number is 10 is the output. Okay, smallest number is 10. So in this way we can display biggest of three numbers, smallest of three numbers, biggest of four numbers, five numbers, six numbers, likewise. In this way we can use conditional operator or ternary operator in JavaScript.